About this item: 2-pack 4K Ultra High Definition A work from home must that supports 4K, 3840x2160, at 30 Hz, 1440p at 60 Hz, 1080p at 120 Hz Full HD and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1, or 2 channels. It also supports DP, DP++, DisplayPort++, and HDMI 1.4. No additional driver required. Outstanding features and friendly design. Compact and lightweight, with user-friendly latch-free design on DisplayPort for easier plug and unplug. Braided nylon cable for extra durability. Premium aluminum alloy casing has better heat insulation and much harder than a plastic one. Ultra durability. WARRKY DP to HDMI adapter is corrosion resistant and excellent in conductivity with 24K gold plated connector which can withstand 11,000 plus times of plugging in and out. Coated by tear resistant nylon braided, this HDMI adapter owns great anti-twisting and abrasion-proof property. Universal compatibility. This display to HDMI adapter is compatible with laptops, HP ProBook EliteBook, Lenovo ThinkPad, Desktop Tower, HP, Dell, Lenovo, GPU, AMD, NVIDIA, and other devices with a DisplayPort. Connect to TV, projector, monitor, VR headset, etc. Note: it is a unidirectional cable. It can only convert from DisplayPort source to HDMI display. WARRKY is dedicated to introducing superb quality products that are sophisticatedly designed and reasonably priced for providing the best solutions to connect your work and life. Consult for fast and responsible support within 18 HRS. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 2-pack 4K Ultra High Definition A work from home must that supports 4K, 3840x2160, at 30 Hz, 1440p at 60 Hz, 1080p at 120 Hz Full HD and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed